And the story of how we got Blue is I was in school, and when...
Can you also videotape this baby? Look at her.
Yeah, she's a
doing
gamer
my
baby.
work.
She's doing work. And the story was that I was in school, that Tees came from work, and we all got very surprised because we saw a big blue cage with a blue bird, a blue parakeet. So I came over to see it in the middle of my spelling lesson, and I saw this bird in a cage.
You gotta be careful.
I thought it was a machine, a mechanic, but no, it wasn't. It was a real life bird. And then we were like, what would we name it? So we looked at it and said Blue. Yes, her name is Blue. So we named her Blue, and that Tees was prepared. He got bird food, everything for the bird. And then that day after, we went to the store and got a bird bathtub. And that's the story of our bird.
Turn around.
Talking about a model or a model. So there's no near at all around.
Oh my god. This is too funny. She's just like sitting there like this is, she thinks you're a tree because you're so tall.
It wasn't coming to me. Now
It
she doesn't go off me.